Steve Harvey, how you doing? Listen, I gotta be real quiet. Shh. Because I'm going to take you to my little store. I ain't famous like you. Not yet, because God is working with me. But I just thought I would take you to my store. See, I was telling Jasmine that I used to have, like, I did a lot of things. And I got a little down and out and a little discouraged and a little upset. And I just wanted to stop really, you know, having a business. So I was working. I worked like 6 jobs. I'm a hairstylist. What else I do? I work for 4, 5 different vendor companies. I have a soap line. But it's just like everything is just like I just gave up having a business. And my mom don't know that I'm going to open up my own little juice company. It's something small because what happened, I was making juice at my house. And Elle and I told me I cannot make juice. Wait a minute, Steve. I'm driving. I got to pay attention to the cars. Elle and I told me I could not sell juice out my house if I want to try to get it inside of a business. So, I mean, not a business, Steve. You know what I'm saying. I'm trying to drive and talk to you at the same time. I'm trying to be multitask like you. Talk show host, radio, writer, Family Feud. I got to be like you. You're my motivator. But I've always been motivated. But anyway, back to the story. Listen. So the L&I people told me that I cannot make juice and try to sell the juice out my house. So what I had to go do, which I think was my stepping stone. So what I had to go do is find me a little storefront because I didn't want to get something too big that I couldn't afford. So I got blessed with this nice little storefront where I'm going to take you at right now. Because I want to let you know, Steve Harvey, I am not lying. And I just want to surprise my mom because my mom thinking I've been working all these jobs. Like I've been working because I work 7 jobs. So she's been like, oh my God, she's just going to work and work and work and work. But she doesn't know I've been working to take care of my store. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you to my store, and we're almost there. I'm not far away from it, but, you know, it's just that, I don't know, Steve, I just gave up. I just didn't, you know, by me not having a love life, and, you know, I just said, well, I just wanted to work. But, Steve, working is not for me. I'm too much of a, I'm too independent. I mean, no, not independent. What's the word? I'm just blessed. I have a talent. I'm very creative. So, my mom, like I said, my mom doesn't know that I got this store that I'm getting ready to open. And I'm going through the health situation now, like, you know, through health inspectors and all that kind of stuff. But I just want you to see my little store is small. It's about 175 feet. And the kind of juice that I designed, that I make, I had a restaurant and I made, it's called Apple Peach Iced Tea. And it's a secret I have to it, which I can't tell anybody, but it sells. I got a nice little, matter of fact, I might have a business card I can show you, my tea. I can't do it right now. The light didn't turn green. But anyway, we ready to go to my store now. I'm going to pull over and I'm going to get out. And I'm going to show you my little store. We're going to show you the outside because I'm working on it now. I'm getting it together. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to make ice cream and all the other little things. Ice cream, Belgian waffles. But my main thing and my main focus is to do this store. That's what it's all about, my store. All right, so Steve, I'm going to get out and let you see it right now. We're getting out my car now. I'm going to show you the outside of my store, and then we're going to go and see the inside of my store. So here we go. All right, Steve, here I go. Wait a minute. I got to get out the car. Oh, I was going to say something, but I didn't want you to hear me what I was going to say when the car tooted at me. All right, this is my store right here. That's the outside of my store. See the window? We just got the window put in right there. That's the window over there, and that's my other window for the bill payment. So now we're ready to go inside. I'm gonna take inside my store. All right, here we go. My store is in the hood. You know, I love working around my people because they love patronizing me, and I just love it. I'm trying to open the door. Steve, wait a minute. See, I got the keys right here. We just left. I just got to show you. Wait a minute. Oh my God, I'm running out of time. By the time I find the keys, you didn't change the channel and somebody done won happy. Oh my God, I can't believe I don't have all my keys here. This don't make no sense. This is so unprofessional. I got so many keys on this key ring. I don't know which is which. Let me see, Steve. All right, I found the key. Open the door. Okay. Now here we go. Now I'm going to go inside. My store. Let me see. We gotta find the keys. Here we go again, trying to find the keys. All these keys. Here I come. I know you busy. You ain't got time. You should have said you should have been had them keys. You got me sitting here waiting for you to find keys. I should have been had my keys ready. Let me see if this is the key. I don't know. Let me see, Steve. Oh no, that ain't the key. I don't want to put the door down. Oh my God, where is my key? I've been doing this all day today trying to find keys. when I had the other guy here, I was trying to find my key, and he got a little frustrated trying to find. I think it's right here. Oh, I found the key. It's right open. Okay, here we go. All right. Okay. All right, now we're ready to go inside. Okay, Steve, this is the inside of my store. So this is my store. This is the inside of this is my mirrors. This is the where I'm making my juice at. Right here is a little section right there. This is a store. A little front window. It's not that big. That's my refrigerator. My other refrigerator. That's inside. We just trying to get it together. And that's why I just showed you my store. And my mom does not know. Shh. I don't want her to know because she's so, Black women, Steve, they is newsy. And she know I'm working, right? But she don't know what I'm doing. She just working and working and working. But she don't know I'm putting my store together. So Steve Harvey, I hope and pray that I get to meet you. And I